Living in Dallas, one of Texas's largest and most vibrant urban areas, offers endless opportunities for entertainment, work, and leisure. However, with the city's bustling streets, heavy traffic, and constant activity, noise pollution can often interfere with the peace and comfort of your home. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near high traffic areas in Dallas, you're likely familiar with how disruptive noise can be. Fortunately, noise-reducing windows offer a highly effective solution for homeowners looking to reduce the noise levels inside their homes. Here's a closer look at the benefits of noise-reducing windows and why they are an excellent investment for homeowners in Dallas urban areas. Significant noise reduction. The most obvious benefit of noise-reducing windows is their ability to reduce unwanted noise from the outside. These windows are specially designed with features that make them highly effective at blocking sound, helping to create a quieter indoor environment. Whether it's the sound of traffic, construction, airplanes, or street noise, noise-reducing windows can make a noticeable difference in your home's comfort level. Noise-reducing windows typically use a combination of multiple panes of glass, soundproof interlayers, and gas fills between the panes to absorb and block sound waves. This construction helps to significantly reduce the amount of sound that passes through your windows, giving you a more peaceful living space, even in the heart of a busy Dallas neighborhood. Improved sleep quality. If you're tired of being woken up by the sound of traffic or other city noises, noise-reducing windows are an excellent solution. Noise pollution is one of the major contributors to poor sleep quality, especially for light sleepers. Even subtle sounds like honking horns, sirens, or the distant hum of traffic can disrupt your rest, leading to sleep deprivation, stress, and fatigue. By installing noise-reducing windows, you can create a quieter, more restful sleep environment. With less external noise infiltrating your home, you can fall asleep more easily and stay asleep through the night. A better night's sleep improves overall health, mood, and productivity, making noise-reducing windows a great investment for anyone looking to improve their well-being. Increased privacy. Another often overlooked benefit of noise-reducing windows is the increased privacy they provide. Homes in Dallas urban areas are often closer together, meaning neighbors, passers-by, or people on the street might overhear conversations or activities happening inside your home. Noise-reducing windows help to minimize sound leakage, which means your conversations and personal activities remain private, reducing the risk of being overheard. Whether you live in a high-rise apartment, a townhome, or a close-knit neighborhood, noise-reducing windows give you peace of mind knowing that the inside of your home is more secure from prying ears. Energy efficiency and comfort. While the primary goal of noise-reducing windows is to block out sound, they also offer a range of energy efficiency benefits. Most noise-reducing windows are double pane or triple pane, with gas-filled spaces between the panes that help with insulation. This means that these windows can not only reduce noise but also help maintain your home's temperature by preventing heat from escaping during winter and keeping hot air out during summer. In Dallas, where temperatures can swing dramatically between seasons, Having energy-efficient windows can reduce your cooling and heating costs while also improving your home's comfort. You'll spend less on energy bills and enjoy a more consistent indoor climate, making noise-reducing windows a great dual-purpose investment. Increased property value. Homebuyers in urban areas, particularly in Dallas, often prioritize quiet, peaceful living spaces. Noise-reducing windows can be a huge selling point if you're thinking of putting your home on the market. By installing these windows, you can increase your home's value and marketability, making it more attractive to potential buyers who are looking for a quiet retreat amidst the urban hustle and bustle. Homes with high-quality windows that reduce both noise and energy consumption are generally seen as more desirable and are likely to sell faster and at a higher price. If you plan on selling in the future, noise-reducing windows could be a valuable investment. Better focus and productivity. In addition to improving sleep and comfort, noise-reducing windows can also enhance your ability to focus and be productive at home. If you work from home or have a study area, constant noise from the outside world can make it difficult to concentrate. Whether it's the sound of construction, traffic, or other distractions, noise can make it harder to get work done or enjoy your hobbies. By reducing the level of noise entering your home, noise-reducing windows create a calmer, more focused environment, allowing you to be more productive and better manage daily tasks without the constant interruption of city sounds. Durability and long-term value. Noise-reducing windows are not only effective at blocking sound, but they are also durable and built to last. Many of these windows are made with high-quality materials that are resistant to weathering, UV damage, and general wear and tear. With proper maintenance, noise-reducing windows can last for decades, providing long-term benefits to both your home's comfort and its value. Conclusion: enhance your Dallas home with noise-reducing windows. If you live in one of Dallas' busy urban areas and find yourself struggling with noise pollution, installing noise-reducing windows is one of the most effective solutions. From improving sleep quality and increasing privacy to enhancing energy efficiency and boosting your home's value, these windows provide a wide range of benefits for homeowners. With a variety of styles and materials available, noise-reducing windows are a smart investment that will make your home more comfortable, quiet, and desirable. Consider upgrading your windows today to enjoy a more peaceful and energy-efficient living environment in Dallas.